Welcome back, Crammers, to question 22. Here is a rectangle with length being 2x plus 3 and width being x minus 1. Given that the area of the rectangle is less than 75 centimeters squared, find the range of possible values for x. So, when dealing with a rectangle and trying to find an area, we use the equation length times width, and we can see here that it's less than 75. So, we can input these values as 2x plus 3 into x minus 1 is less than 75. Using the FOIL method, we can multiply the polynomials. So FOIL is f, where first 2x times x is 2x squared. O is for outside, 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. I is for inside, 3 times x is plus 3x. And L is for outside, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, less than 75. We can actually bring the 75 to the other side. So 2x squared negative 2x plus 3x minus 3. We bring it to the other side, so it becomes negative 75 is less than 0. And we bring together all the like terms. So 2x squared minus 2 plus 3 is positive 1x. And negative 3, negative 78, that is negative 78 is less than 0. Here we have a quadratic, so we can simply use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus b squared negative 4ac square root over 2a. So when we input the values, it is negative 1 plus minus 1 squared negative 4 times 2 times negative 78 square root over 2 times a. So 2 times 2 is 4. We can pull out our calculator and get our answer. 2, 1, negative 78. We get two answers, which is 6 and negative 6.5. X is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 6.5. However, when dealing with measurements, they can never be in negative. So we simply disregard this value. However, we still have to find the range. We know that x at maximum has to be 6. What is the lowest possible value it can go to that is not a negative? And that value is 1. So we know that x is greater than 1, but less than 6. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.